Hi everyone, it's Bilal Ahmed. I hope you are doing well. This is the summary of today's English class. Today, the 27th, and the day was Wednesday, and you have to open pages from 70 to 74. Yesterday, we discussed the story. You listened to track number 51. I'm gonna play this track again. You have to listen this track well, and then you have to answer the questions. So here is the fifth lesson for Unit 5, Read and Respond. In this story, in this lesson, you have to listen to a story and then you have to read story and answer questions. So here are the parts of the story. Okay, I'm gonna play the track number 51. You have to listen this story well about the king leopard. There are many ways to count tens. So I hope you are ready. I'm gonna play this track. Give me a moment.
Track 51.
Many ways to count to 10.
A long time ago, Leopard was the king of the forest. One day he said, "I'm getting old and tired. It's time to choose a new king." He put up signs in the forest. "Contest tomorrow at 3 o'clock." All the animals came to the contest. King Leopard said, "Thank you for coming. Let me explain the contest. You must throw this spear high into the air and quickly count to 10. You must say 10 before the spear hits the ground. The winner of the contest will be the new king of the forest." The elephant was the first to try.
"I'm very big,"
he said.
"I think I can do it."
The elephant threw the spear high into the air.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
He counted loudly. Boom! The spear hit the ground. "I am sorry, elephant," said the king. "You didn't do it. You didn't count to 10. The water ox was second. "I'm very strong," he said. "I think I can do it." The water ox threw the spear high into the air. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He counted loudly. Boom! The spear hit the ground. "I'm sorry, water ox," said the king. "You didn't do it. You didn't count to 10. The chimpanzee was third. "I can count very quickly," he said. "I think I can do it." The chimpanzee threw the spear high into the air. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. He counted quickly. Boom! The spear hit the ground. "I'm sorry, chimpanzee," said the king. "You didn't do it. You didn't count to 10. The little antelope was next. "Hello, King Leopard," he said quietly. "Can I try?" "Of course, little friend," said the king. "Here is the spear." The tiny antelope jumped high in the air as he threw the spear. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, counted the antelope. Boom! The spear hit the ground. "You did it," said the king. "Well done, little antelope. You counted to 10 in twos. What a clever idea. The forest has a new and very clever king." "3 cheers for King Antelope," cried the animals. "Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip, hooray!"
Okay, so this was the track number 51. I hope you enjoyed this track. We already explained this story in previous class. So here we have some questions. Okay, this is the exercise on your learner's book. You have to read the question well and then try to answer. Here are the answers you can write on your books. If you couldn't find a space, you can write on the notebooks. Okay, so who are the characters in the story? Where does the story take place? Where did King Leopard want to choose a new king? Which animals speak loudly? Which animals speak quickly? Which of these words describe the antelope? It's big, strong, tiny, clever, loud, quiet. So you have to choose the correct verb, okay? Sorry, correct word for the antelope. What was the antelope's clever idea? Because it's the antelope count in twos, okay? So here are the answers for the questions, and you have to match the words with the characters, okay? So I'm getting old and tired. Who said the king leopard? I can count very quickly. Okay, so you have to find the answers. Here, all the answers you can write on the book. Okay, so the homework on page 61, activity book. Thank you so much, boys.